The fourth term of a geometric sequence is 45 and the fifth term is 90. What is the ninth term of the geometric sequence? Well, boys and girls, the equation for a geometric sequence is g sub n equals g sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. G sub 1 is the first term. R is the common ratio, what you multiply to get from one number to the next. N is the term you're talking about, so G sub n is that term. I do know that the fourth term, G sub n, is 45, which means n is 4. And I do know that in order to get from 45 to 90, you multiply 2. So to get from the fourth term to the fifth term, you multiply 2. That's going to be r. So let's use that information to get my first term of this geometric sequence. So g sub n, which is 45, so let me just jump right into it and say 45 is equal to the first term times the common ratio of 2 to the 4 minus 1, because it's the fourth term that we're talking about. So 45 is equal to g sub 1 times 2 to the third power, or 45 is equal to g sub 1 times 8. Now let's divide both sides by 8, and that's going to give us our first term of 45 over 8. Now let's take that information and plug it back into our geometric sequence equation to find the ninth term. So g sub 9 is going to equal g sub 1, which we just found out to be 45 over 8, times the common ratio, which is 2, to the, what do we need, the ninth term, so 9 minus 1 power. So g sub 9 is going to equal 45 over 8 times 2 to the 8th. G sub 9 is going to equal 45 over 8 times 256. Now, through the power of math magic, I know very well that g sub 9 is going to equal 1,440, which is going to be C. So that's how you do that geometric sequence problem right there.